Question number 3. A 1 MHz clock signal is applied to JK flip-flop with J equal to K equal to 1. What is the frequency of the flip-flop output signal? So let us visualize its picture. So there is a JK flip-flop. Two inputs are J and K. And there is an output. Assume it as Q. It can be output can be even Q bar. Fine. But we are interested in Q. So when J and K are 1, then JK flip-flop will act as a frequency divider network. Very important point. So you can note that when J equal to K equal to 1 for a JK flip-flop, then it acts as say frequency divider, that is f by 2, input frequency by 2. So input is the clock is given to JK flip-flop, its frequency assume f, then output frequency will be f by 2. So to understand it a bit little clearly, this is a JK flip-flop. Inputs are J equal to 1 and K equal to 1, and there is a clock. It can be positive edge or negative edge, whatever. So clock frequency is f, and there will be output Q and Q bar. So output frequency will be divided by half. So it is given that clock frequency in the question as 1 megahertz, okay, which is nothing but 1000 kilohertz. This is the input clock frequency. Then he is asking what is the frequency of output. So output output frequency is nothing but f by 2, which is nothing but 1000 by 2, which is nothing but 500 kilohertz. So the right choice is option B. Option B is the right choice. Fine. Now we can extend this concept in the sense we can extend this in such a way that it will be useful for other exams. Extension. Whenever JK flip-flop inputs are 1, both inputs are 1, then it acts as frequency divider network. Just now we have seen that. So how can we extend this formula? Suppose this is a JK flip-flop, this is a clock whose frequency is f, and the inputs are J equal to 1 and K equal to 1. Now the output I am taking only Q for wanted purpose, Q bar I am neglecting. So suppose n JK flip-flops are cascaded, okay, so on. Suppose n JK flip-flops are cascaded, okay, so this is nth JK flip-flop. So the inputs are again J equal to 1 and K equal to 1. Here also J equal to 1 and K equal to 1. K equal to 1, this is K. Here also J equal to 1 and K equal to 1. So this output will drive other flip-flop as clock. This output will drive as clock. This output will drive as next stage, like that. So when n JK flip-flops are cascaded in this manner, then the output frequency is how much? Such kind of questions are quite common. What is the frequency here? F dash. So when n JK flip-flops are connected in cascade, then output frequency f out nth stage, frequency at nth stage is given by f by input frequency, input clock frequency, divided by 2 power n. So as we can see that in the given question there is only one stage, hence we got f out is nothing but f input by 2. N indicates number of stages or number of flip-flops. Stages or flip-flops. Thank you.